That heavy chest and static in your head is not just burnout. It is your brain crashing from trying to predict 1,000 futures that will never happen. I will show you a 5,000-year-old tactic to force quit the anxiety and get your life back. You are stuck in survival mode. You try everything the modern gurus sell. You write in a journal. You track your screen time. But the 3 a.m. dread still hits hard. The endless doom scrolling still wins. Why? Because modern advice treats your fear like a math problem. They tell you to sit and think about your feelings. Thinking harder just creates brain fog. It locks you into toxic loops. Your mind runs worst-case scenarios until you completely freeze. It is not your fault the advice fails. You are using the wrong tools. You cannot think your way out of total exhaustion. Let's go back 5,000 years. A warrior named Arjuna had a massive mental breakdown. It happened right before the biggest battle of his life. He was not a coward. His brain was just frozen. He was paralyzed by overthinking every bad outcome. Sound familiar? His guide, Krishna, did not tell him to journal. He did not offer him a gentle breathing exercise. He delivered a hard slap of reality over a black coffee. Krishna gave a fierce command. Klaibyam, gamah. Do not yield to weakness. Abandon this petty fear and stand up. If you are stuck in a mental loop, then you must physically override the system. Stop debugging the fear. Force the hardware to reboot. Think of your mind like a computer. When it freezes, you don't keep clicking the mouse. You hit the hard reset button. Overthinking is the virus. Action is the cure. Here is your homework for today. We call this the Arjuna method. Find the one thing you are avoiding right now. Maybe it is a hard text message. Maybe it is a difficult phone call. Maybe it is opening a blank document. You are going to do a hard reboot. First, you will physically stand up. Do it. Stand on your own 2 feet. Take one deep breath. Now say these exact words out loud. Petty weakness removed. The second those words leave your mouth, the clock starts. You have exactly 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Move. Pick up the phone. Type the first letter. Hit send. Do not think. Bypass your broken brain. Make one small, physical, irreversible move. Your anxiety wants you frozen forever. Action is the only language it actually respects. Stand up today and take your life back. Subscribe to this channel to install the next protocol.